A geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term is found by multiplying the previous term by the same constant. The number that is multiplied by each term is called the common ratio. Try to fill in the missing terms for each geometric sequence. What is the common ratio for sequence A? If you divide 3 by 1.5, you get 2. If you divide 6 by 3, you also get 2. The common ratio is 2. Use this to fill in the missing terms in the sequence. The complete sequence is 1.5, 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. What are the next two terms of sequence B? First, find the common ratio. 120 divided by 40 is 3. 360 divided by 120 is also 3. The constant ratio is 3, so you can find the next two terms by multiplying by 3. The next two terms are 1,080 and 3,240. Now fill in the missing terms for sequence C. Notice how the terms are getting smaller. 20 divided by 200 is 1/10. 2 divided by 20 is also 1/10. So multiply each term by 1/10. The sequence becomes 200, 20, 2, 0.2, 0.02, and 0.002.